In this course, you'll learn everything you need to get started with CSS. We'll start by installing and preparing all the necessary tools to write your first CSS code. Then you'll learn about the basics of CSS. You'll learn how the browser applies CSS code and how to style various parts of your website. Throughout this course, I'm going to share with you lots of tips and shortcuts from my years of experience. I'll teach you how to write code like a professional developer. So when you end up watching this course, you'll have a solid foundation in CSS and be ready to learn about advanced CSS features. I've designed this course for anyone who wants to learn CSS. If you are a beginner, don't worry. I'll make CSS super simple for you, and you'll write your first CSS code in minutes. My name is Dima, and I'm a software engineer with over a decade of experience. I have worked for many companies, and I've helped many developers to grow their skills. And I think this course is a great place to start. I hope you will stick around and learn this powerful and modern styling language. To follow along, make sure you know the basics of HTML. If you want, you can learn the basics of HTML in this course. Also, the link is in the description. So let's get started. You'll need two main tools, a web browser and a code editor. The browser displays your web pages, and the code editor is where you'll write your CSS code. Any modern browser will do, but I recommend Google Chrome. For the code editor, Visual Studio Code or VS Code is a great option. It makes coding so much easier. Both Chrome and VS Code are free. I'll provide links in the description. If you want, you can choose other browsers or code editors. The key is to have a setup that lets you write code and see your work in action. With our tools ready, it's time to create our first CSS project. On your computer, create a new folder wherever it's convenient for you. I will create mine on the desktop. This folder will hold all the files for our website. Name it something you'll remember, like my website. Now, open VS Code or any other code editor of your choice and open your newly created folder. It's File, Open Folder. Then, create a new file and name it index.html. Now you're ready to write your first CSS code. It's going to be the topic of the next video. If this video was helpful, subscribe to get more. Now check out this next video.